In this video, we're going to review the expiratory wheezing lung sound. Typically, expiratory wheezing indicates some form of COPD, asthma, allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, some form of a respiratory disease that is anywhere from mild to severe. You're going to hear wheezing when you exhale and even when you inhale, depending on the person's condition. But typically speaking, if it's on both exhalation and inhalation, you have a more severe breathing problem that you're dealing with. Expiratory wheezing alone, in and of itself, can often indicate just a mild airway problem and something that's usually either self-resolves or prescribed medications will handle.